Okay, we got our head here, and we've let this all set up and dry. So what we want to do is we want to round down our neck, but before we start rounding it down, we need to find our center so we don't lose our center. So we'll mark our center, and then I'm going to take my punch and put a hole in here so I don't lose my center when I start sanding it down. So we have that. Then I got a 2-inch circle I'm going to use to mark where we need to carve it. What we're going to do is we're going to take all this off out in here and round it down to this size. This is the size you need to fit inside your body for the neck. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.